Marketing is an essential part of any business, and allocating your marketing budget can be a daunting task. However, with the right strategy and approach, you can make the most out of your marketing budget and achieve your business goals. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you allocate your marketing budget effectively. The first step in allocating your marketing budget is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing efforts? Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or boost sales? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can allocate your budget accordingly. The next step is to know your audience. Who are you targeting with your marketing efforts? What are their needs, preferences, and behaviors? Understanding your audience will help you create targeted and effective marketing campaigns that resonate with them. Once you have defined your goals and audience, it's time to choose your marketing channels. There are various marketing channels available, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Each channel has its strengths and weaknesses, and you need to choose the ones that align with your goals and audience. After choosing your marketing channels, it's time to set your budget. Your budget should be based on your goals, audience, and chosen channels. You need to allocate your budget in a way that maximizes your ROI and helps you achieve your goals. Finally, it's essential to measure your results. You need to track your marketing campaign's performance and analyze the data to see what's working and what's not. This will help you optimize your marketing efforts and allocate your budget more effectively in the future. Knowing your audience is crucial in allocating your marketing budget effectively. You need to understand your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors to create targeted and effective marketing campaigns. Here are some tips to help you know your audience better. Tip 1. Conduct market research. Market research is the process of gathering information about your target market. You can use various methods such as surveys, focus groups, and interviews to collect data about your audience. This data will help you understand your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. Tip 2. Analyze your customer data. Your customer data is a goldmine of information about your audience. You can analyze your customer data to identify patterns and trends in their behavior. This will help you create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. Tip 3. Use social media analytics. Social media platforms provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. You can use social media analytics tools to track your audience's engagement with your content, their demographics, and their interests. This data will help you create social media campaigns that are tailored to your audience. Tip 4. Create buyer personas. A buyer persona is a fictional representation of your ideal customer. It includes information such as demographics, interests, and pain points. Creating buyer personas will help you understand your audience better and create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with them. Tip 5. Monitor your competitors. Monitoring your competitors' marketing efforts will help you understand their audience and how they are targeting them. You can use this information to create better marketing campaigns that differentiate you from your competitors. Knowing your audience is the foundation of effective marketing. By understanding your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors, you can create targeted and effective marketing campaigns that resonate with them.